Hey guys, welcome to Viver. Today I'll show you how to receive Robux donations in Roblox on your phone. Up top right we see a button and here we can see I have no donations at all. If we flip the phone like this, as you can see, I haven't received anything. Let's go to gifts, tap on messages, and as you can see nothing shows up here. If you're sure you were sent Robux but they haven't been credited to you, open your browser and tap on Robux in the top right corner. Then click on My Transactions here. Here you'll find the complete history of your Robux transactions. There's also a Pending Receipts tab for uncredited Robux. So you'll wait for these to be credited to your account. If they don't arrive, hit the help button and contact Robux support. That's all there is to it. This has been Viver. Catch you later, everyone.